Want to save 15 minutes off your dinner every night? Watch till the end. This is Jackie from Otherwise, and I teach mothers and others how to get dinner on the table quickly. Mise in place. It means everything in its place. When you come home from the day's activities, is everything in place for you to start cooking dinner? I have everything in place. Let me show you how. Let's say I've just walked in from my day's activities. I have everything set out for my dinner tonight. I pulled out my onion and my basil that I had in the refrigerator. My pot is on the stove with water in it. All I have to do is salt my water. We're going to make capellini pomodoro, which is a recipe that I regularly make at my house. So I'm going to cover that because that will make the water boil more quickly. I have all of my pots and pans out and ready to go, as well as my ingredients. I'm going to turn this one on and heat that up. I'm going to go ahead and add my olive oil. I'm just going to coat the bottom of the pot. I've got my tomatoes here. I'm going to go ahead and open those up. I'm going to chop my onion really thin. I'm going to add these to the pot. Add some salt. I'm going to let these cook down just a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to chop my basil. I had my basil in a container in the fridge. Waiting for me. So as soon as I came in, I took it out along with my onion. The thing is about mise en place is to have everything ready to go. So I had my pot already filled with water, both pots on the stove. I had everything out that was shelf stable. I had my basil and my onion in the refrigerator in a container. So all I had to do is dump it out. I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes. My pot is boiling. I'm going to add my basil and turn it down on low. Probably off. I'm just going to turn it off. But I'm going to keep it covered. I just broke my spaghetti. My pot is boiling. I'm going to add my spaghetti. This dinner would have taken me a lot longer had I not planned ahead. Had I not done some meal prepping. And the meal prepping I did was called Mise in place. I put my pots and my lids out. I couldn't find one of my lids, and it took me like 5 minutes to find it. And that's another 5 minutes on your dinner time. If you've had a late day and you come in and everybody's hungry and you want to get dinner started and ready to go, then that 5 minutes is that much longer to getting your dinner ready. I had picked my basil yesterday. That would have taken me another couple minutes to go outside and pick my basil and wash it. My onion was already in the refrigerator, but I had everything all gathered together today. I had already pulled out my utensils, my pasta spoon, and my wooden spoon were already out. I had the salt ready to go. My olive oil and tomatoes I pulled out of the cabinet and set them out. That way everything was ready to go. So I just wanted to show you today how to shave some more time off of your dinner. And every little bit counts. It took me about 15 minutes to gather everything together for tonight's dinner. Well, this is a 15-minute meal. And so that makes it a 30-minute meal when you have to go hunting for everything, or you have to go pick the basil, or you have to fill up the pot with water, or hunt the lid. So plan ahead. So the most important part of getting dinner on the table is having a meal plan. If you don't have a meal plan and you don't know how to make a meal plan, then check out my Dinners on the Table challenge. You'll find it in the comments and also in the notes for this video. This is Jackie from Motherwise, and remember, dinner's at 6.